Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. Lift the toilet lid and seat. Pull up firmly to remove the toilet seat lid assembly. Disconnect the clean water hose. Disconnect all connection cables one by one. Remove the toilet seat lid assembly and place it separately. Prepare the tools listed above. Unscrew the 4 screws on the base of the toilet seat lid assembly. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry open the rear cover clips. On the side of the cover plate, there are 2 screws. First, remove the decorative pad. There is a screw underneath. Use the screwdriver to unscrew the screw. Similarly, on the other side of the cover plate, there is another screw in the same position, which should also be removed. First, disconnect all the connection cables between the cover and the base. Also, use a screwdriver to unscrew and remove the grounding wire. Next, we will replace the night light and ultraviolet light. Now that the base has been separated from the cover, the night light and ultraviolet light are located at the head of the cleaning device. So, we first need to remove the screws securing the cleaning device. After removing these screws, we can now replace the night light. Unscrew the screws fixing the night light. Once the screws are removed, it will become movable. Next, remove the screws securing the cleaning device. Push the entire cleaning device bracket backward. There is a plastic clip here, which will loosen the bracket. Now, the night light can be rotated and removed. Also, remove the cable clip for the night light. As for the ultraviolet light, it is fixed at the head of the cleaning device. If you only need to replace the night light, you can skip the steps for the ultraviolet light. If you only need to replace the ultraviolet light, you can skip removing the night light. The bracket is fixed with a plastic clip on the side. You need a flathead screwdriver to pry open this clip. Then, remove the self-cleaning hose. This will allow you to remove the ultraviolet light. Once both lights are removed, since the cables are fixed under the mainboard, we first need to unscrew the fixing screws of the mainboard. Loosen the mainboard. If you are unsure about the exact cable connections, you can slightly wiggle the cables to locate the connection points on the mainboard. Once done, retighten the screws securing the cleaning device. Reinstall the bracket and tighten the fixing screws. Don't forget to tighten the 2 fixing screws on the mainboard. After the replacement is complete, reassemble the base with the cover, and press it to reinstall the base on the ceramic base. Once the base and cover are properly combined, screw in and secure the 4 screws in different positions. Additionally, there is a screw on the left and right sides of the seat. These must also be installed and tightened securely. Connect the battery cable. Connect the diverter valve cable. Make sure the arrows on the cables match. Connect the kick control cable. Connect the pump cable. Reconnect the clean water hose. Finally, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly.